So we are here at SM Seaside, guys, and for tonight we are going to watch Joker Arroyo. Joke. We're gonna watch Joker because one of our friends said that it is really a nice movie. You won't expect the story, the twist, the plot. So we will gonna see that tonight. Or no, this afternoon, guys. It's at 3 p.m. and we're gonna try the Directors Club. I heard that they have these lazy boy seats, right? So yeah. Hopefully the movie will be nice and we'll enjoy this afternoon. Yeah. And I'll see you again later, guys. I'll give a feedback about the movie, so watch out. Paabot daw niya, guys. Wala akong movie review sa Joker. Yun.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry guys, delayed us sa Directors Club for this afternoon. Maybe some other time we'll try the Directors Club. Kaya apparently, sa kadaghan na lang sa Joker, ang seats available. So front na lang. So, well, sound good na. anyway, next time guys. But this time we'll still try the kanang big screen man, the big screen, di ba? It's not the usual. Yeah. We'll check that later, guys. We still have like an hour to go, so we'll just go and window shop around the seaside. Yun.
Oh, yeah.
So itong tanahon, guys, is story ni Joker. Ito. How he became a Joker, because wala agad ko yung idea nga nung unsay mga jokes ni Joker. I don't know, feel ako sa base sa trailer ha, marag drama man siya gamay. No? Nag-drama yan trailer, guys, and pasin dili ni siya drama siguro ning Joker, di ba? The jokes on you, or unsa nang kanta gani kana sa mga video clip? I did it my way, pinaingana. Dili ba mo ka ng Joker na nga story?
I started a joke.
Di ba? Unsa na nga song? I started a joke that made the whole world cry. Diba? Later, we'll see ha. We'll see. Anong na-Joker siya. Diba? Di man siya katawanan. anyway, we'll see you again later, guys. Nandito sa itong big screen and we'll update you guys. Live. Joke. It's not live. Susuwi sabi, guys. So watch it mo naman, guys, kay ingot mo kay kaila kinayawaan ko na nga Joker. Kinayawaan. Kinayawaan na Joker? Meaning the most evil Joker ko na nga Joker.
I think expression lang gusto niya.
Expression na rin. Grabe ko yawa. Siya nga siya. Anyway, at may bawa lang ginawa niya.
Edit.
Kaya na, basta may bawa na niya, guys. Nga daw, kinayawaan ni nga Joker. Yun.
Wow.
12 seconds later.
Pero kuan, dili ta ma-disturb.
Guys, what man nag-start a movie? One a prize. So while waiting, guys, we'll talk about the movie na lang, di ba? So, based ako ang nabasa, this is a story of si Joker, kato si Arthur Fleck, who became mentally ill. Like, nag-fail mag siya as a stand-up comedian, and apparently, it turned him to more crime and chaos sa Gotham City. sa year nga 1981. So ang setting ani is still katong was still on the year of 1981 katong sa Gotham City. Na siya. So, yeah, based sa akong mga nabasa guys, maayo kayo ang pagka-perform or pagka-deliver ni Joaquin Phoenix as the Joker ani nga movie. So, we'll find out later if okay ba to siya. Maayo ba iya pagka-dala as a Joker. As in, grabe kayo kano sa ko nabasa nga there are moments kuno while filming is murag na carried away siya ba. Hopefully, dili siya mapalihan ni before katong si Joker po sa inima to niya Heath Ledger, di ba? If you are familiar with the story of Heath Ledger, na-carried away sa to siya actually as the role of Joker, and he was having some mga nightmares and moment in story, and abot sa point nga mo to siya sadly nag-turn to suicide siya, kumbaga naka-contribute to yan ang character as Joker kuno. He was having some nightmares and mo ni siya, hopefully si Joaquin Phoenix dili man maingana, di ba? Kay as in effective kuno kay kadala sa Joker. So hopefully okay man siya karon.
Wow!
Large screen gud siya. Large screen gud. Whoa, look at that. So big.
Is it just me, or is it getting crazier out there?
You think men like Thomas Wayne ever think what it's like to be someone like me?
Just go before you make a fool of yourself.
I didn't know if I even really existed. But I do. You know I do stand-up comedy. You should come see a show sometime.
I could do that.
People think you're weird. They don't feel comfortable around you.
I don't want you worrying about money, Mom. Or me.
All that sacrifice, she must love you very much.
She always tells me to smile and put on a happy face.
You're so funny, Arthur.
My mother told me I had a purpose to bring laughter and joy to the world.
Is something funny?
I used to think that my life was a tragedy. But now I realize it's a comedy. Joker.
So that's it, guys. The joke's on us. It's a good movie, guys. It's a good movie. Should should watch it. Highly recommended by Jade.
Oh, yeah.
You think may part 2?
Sa mga part ko, yun na lang, pag-rain sa
Yeah.
sa followers.
It's a very sad movie. But, no? Sad ba siya nga movie? Because you will realize ba?
Sad is subjective.
Yeah. You realize nga unsa effects sa cyberbullying naman kanang bullying to the people bitaw. So, yeah. Joker is sad. It's a sad man.
At first ka na nag-mention na my life is a tragedy.
Ooh, but
I
it's
realized that it's a comedy.
it's a comedy day life. Wow. I would say it's a very sinister movie, right? Very sinister. It's a joke. It's a joke movie. Yeah.
It's a very insidious movie.
Yeah, it's R16 guys, so sa mga kids. Yeah. Ay, bisa magdala sila ng parents, hindi pwede mo. Should be 16 and above. So we just finished watching it guys, and we would really recommend it that you watch Joker, because if you will not watch it, Joker will come after you. Joke. It's really a good movie guys. I think maayos yun ang pagkada ni Joaquin Phoenix. Agree mo guys? Maayos si Joaquin Phoenix? Jane, you agree? Maayos si Joaquin Phoenix? Diba? Yeah.
Mag-deliver na ko Oscar niya ko.
Wow! Alright! Oscar Award for Joaquin Phoenix. I think maayos siya as, di ba katulad si Heath Ledger before? Maayos siya. But now we get to know more about Joker if you will watch the movie, yung story, how he came to be Joker, and yun sa niya pag-transform from the beginning. You would really understand the character. I think maayos na pagka-portray from the start, and yun sa yung life, kumbaga, ganong nahimo siyang Joker. Diba? So, kung ano siya guys, drama din siya. Drama and thriller, kumbaga, di ba? Medyo hindi siya comedy siguro. Comedy ba siya kay Joker man? But no, dili na to binangan si Joker kay sensitive na si Joker. Sensitive. Dito. I think he's suffering from, di ba alam siya, mental health issues, kumbaga ba. It's not a joke man guys. So, ano siya. Also about bullying, di ba? Bullying is never acceptable and it's not really a joke, di ba? So, I think magduduhan ang mga tao bully ron after watching Joker, di ba? So, all ito ang movie review, guys. You should just watch it, and it's worth the money, it's worth your time, and industry story and ang pagka-deliver, especially pagka-deliver ni Joaquin Phoenix. It's like triple thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. So that's it today, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit that notification bell to get updates. Yo. That's it, guys. Watch Joker. Joker Arroyo. Yo, what's up guys? It's me again, PJ Yo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yo. So for today guys, we will have another movie review, and this time it will be The Joker 2019, diba? This movie is directed by Todd Phillips, and of course, our main actors, of course, we have Robert De Niro and Joaquin Phoenix as the Joker, yon, and the other cast were all great, yon. So, what's my overall score for the movie, guys? Ako na ihatag ninyo agad-agad. So, my score for the movie is 9.5 over 10. Yon. So, dako kay guys, diba? Because it's really a great movie for me, for me. And should you watch it? Definitely my answer is yes. Definitely, you should watch it. So, earlier, we watched it sa SM Seaside at kanayang ilang large screen, diba? Dako kayo siyang screen, guys. Amazingly, mo siguro niya pinakadako nga screen, movie screen nga ako nakita ha. As in, pagsulod, grabe. Wow, amazing. And mo to siya, guys. You should really watch the movie. So, ako lang maingon is the hype is real. Yon. Actually, dagan naming nadunggan gud nga nindot nga feedback about the movie about Joker, and mo to among gisuwayan nagtan-aw, and wala mi nagmahay, guys. And I believe kamusad, guys, dili mo magmahay if you will watch the movie. So watch it, guys. It's really highly recommended. So yon, thumbs up, triple thumbs up, right? So thumbs up, yon. So anyway, guys, a brief summary of the movie. It's the origin story of Joker. We all know Joker, man. He's the pinaka-enemy ni Batman, kumbaga, diba? Batman sa Gotham City. So this is a DC movie explaining the origins of Joker. So actually, nagbasa-basa ko daghang tug laing history kung asa nagsugod si Joker, na atong himo siya Red Robin, something like that, and mo to nakuha siya sa chemicals and something like that. But this is a different take on the origin of Joker. So for me this is more, for me, mura siya more realistic and more deeper and darker side of Joker, diba? Kumbaga, we all know Joker nga as someone nga who is just a very annoying enemy ni Batman, diba? And sometimes palamuot, analingaw nga kaaway, diba? And nag-specialize na siya itong mga bombs and kanang mga chemicals, something. And mo lang na siya itong nahibawaan about Joker is kana siya nga character is a villain sa Batman. But honestly, ganihan lang ko nakabalaw sa somehow unsay background sa story ni Joker. So unsay tawag ni, it's a mixed emotion man, guys. Murag ma-amaze mo at the same time maka feel sad mo somehow empathy towards the character man ni Joker, and you will understand nganong naingana iyahang character, nganong murag na ay something niya, di ba? Murag iyahang physical appearance, and iyang, of course, mga nakita nga the painted smile, guys. If makabalo mo, di ba, sa mga clowns, murag na painted man na ilahang smile because there is a story, man. So by watching the movie, guys, you would really learn, you would really understand the character of Joker, baga. So dito lang nag-revolve ang story. It's about kinsa si Joker, di ba? More on his life, kumbaga, kung pagkabata niya hangtod eventually giunsa niya paghimog kaninga villain nga Joker kung asa siya nagsugod. So nindot siya, guys. First, ang nakanindot for me the cast were amazing. Especially ang lead role ni si Joaquin Phoenix. Amazing good, guys. I say, murag, di ba? Daghang kay pakpak for Joaquin Phoenix. I think daghang man sa nag-comment sa iyang acting, and he is being considered kuno as best actor for this movie For me, guys, nakita man ako sa movie, nindot gyud ang iyang pag-portray, and you would really feel kumbaga sa iyang character. Ma-feel mo iyang character nga he is a sad clown. Murag nga bitaw, murag naa siya pinagdaanan, kumbaga. Murag naa siya mga hugot sa life, kumbaga, nga na, di ba? So ma-feel mo sa character ni katong gi-play ni Joaquin Phoenix. Very effective kay si Joaquin Phoenix, guys. I really thought, di ba, nga murag wala na maka-compare or makakuan sa performance ni Heath Ledger before as Joker, baga. For me, lahi-lahi silang style, man, but they were both effective, man, for me And kani si Joaquin Phoenix, grabe good. Nay part sa movie nga mahadlok ko magtan-aw niya is
di ba, murag siya psychopath, kumbaga, di ba, mahadlok ka magtanaw sa iyang face. And of course, ang iyang the way he laughs, guys, grabe. Naam to siya murag disorder. Is a disorder if example masuko siya or ma-anxious or mag-uol, something like that. He cannot control his laugh. Kanang grabe gud kayo nga laugh nga annoying nga makalagot, kumbaga, nga laugh. And he is really effective with that, the Joker laugh, kumbaga. And iyang moves po, guys, the awkward moves, the way niya pag-dance, and iyang just the simple walking niya, guys, makaingon ka nga, wow, this is really Joker. Kumbaga, the way siya mudagan, and everything about that character, iyang eyes, makita nimo sa expression sa iyang eyes, that murag naadjud siya deep something nga ginahuna, na siya murag burden, diba, dako siya burden nga gina-carry, kumbaga, nga na makita nimo sa iyang eyes and the way he speaks, and it's grabe. Kuan mo gito siya murag failed stand-up comedian, and the only thing that he really wanted was to be a performer, kumbaga, to be a stand-up comedian, but apparently mo to mga experiences nga makayo nga luoy kay makita man niyo sa trailer, di ba, atong gikulata siya, gibully siya, and everything and naapa mo yung ma-learn sa movie, deeper story kung ngano nahimo siyang Joker, di ba? So dili ta mo i-spoil guys, so you should watch it, guys. Makaingon mo nga murag katong mga bullying part, taphaw lang to siya sa real story kung ngano nahimo siyang Joker, kumbaga. By the way, this is R16, guys, so dili ni siya recommended for the young one. So dili na siya katong typical nga mga heroes nga atong gina-expect, kasi you are expecting this is action like kind of mga Batman and Robin, no, this is for me, this is this is drama and thriller, di ba? Kanang mga psychopath nga naa siya yung mga bloody scenes, na yung mga patay-patay. So guys, this is not for the for the faint-hearted, kumbaga sa mga weak heart. Di ba? Kaya na yung mga scenes dito nga, grabe, emotional scenes, and basta grabe, nindot. So nindot pagka-portray sa atong bida, si Joaquin Phoenix, and of course sa mga fans ni Robert De Niro na siya ani nga movie, siya to si Murphy, kumbaga to, sikat to siya nga late night nga talk show nga comedian sad, and mo to siya nag-meet man sila ni Joaquin Phoenix naman ni Joker, kumbaga nag-meet sila dito, and mo na to siya ni Alex, di ba? Alex, mo to yung name dito sa movie ni Joker, di ba? So mo to siya, guys. For me, effective ang cast and ang storyline. Of course, it's a deeper and darker side ni Joker, kumbaga. So you would really understand kung ano nahimo siya Joker, and makita nimo ang transformation niya from being katong very weak nga person nga ginabully, and eventually it turned out nga nahimo siya psychopath nga Joker that we all know, diba? As in, very dark Joker, kumbaga, dili siya clown, basta mahadlok mo ani nga Joker. And of course, ang iyang music, nindot iyang music, and iyang music background, diba, sa mga scenes, and iyang cinematography, nindot sad, guys. Ang the way niya pag-portray sa Gotham City, it's like by the way, this is ang setting niya is 1981, year 1981 ni siya. Mura siya it's the lowest, gubot kay to siya nga time for the people, kumbaga, lisod di pangitag work, then everyone is having a hard time, mura siya dark days of old New York City, kumbaga. Murag yung style bitaw nga, Murag na yung mga gangsters, ana. So, those were the dark days of Gotham City katong 1981. So, mo yung settings and nindot. For me ha, especially sa kanang mga kanang camera angles bitaw guys, you would really feel nga murag naa mo dito sa movie mo na siya nakanindot, like ang the way niya pag-take bitaw, it's like naa dito ang person imagine that murag naga-follow kang Joker di ba, and nindot murag ma-feel mo nga naa ka sa mga scenes. And of course katong ang pagkuan niya sa Gotham City, it's very like nindot siya cinematography and I think mo na siya yung mga nakanindot for me sa movie ha. Kato ang cast, ang story, and of course cinematography and music. So it's like di ba siya perfect nga movie, di ba? Kumbaga it's a good origin movie of Joker. So you better watch it guys. And of course na po yung mga lessons nga gina-inject to the audience. Kumbaga, it's like modern times man nga mga problems faced by the society, di ba? Nasa rich versus poor, mga nga style, and of course about the issues sa mental illness and for me sa bullying, which is it's really happening and it's a sensitive issue man that's being addressed kumbaga sa atong society, di ba? And mo to siya guys na say no to bullying kay masinggok doon mo ni Joker. Bitaw, joke. And mo lang to siya guys. For me, it's a good movie. It's a plus. Daga siya plus points actually for me guys. So you better watch it guys, and honestly, dili mo magmahay. You will enjoy the movie. Bisan slow paced man siya, dili siya inom ka ng action, dili man, but nindot siya pagka ma-hook, mag-glued mo to your seats watching the movie, kay you would really ma-feel mo ang characters and ganahan mo sabay-bay gyud bisan sa ilang conversation, di ba? Ang naminaw gyud sa mga conversation kay dito ba nimo magets nga no mga yana. So mo to siya guys. I think lapas ako sa 10 minutes, so you better watch it with your friends guys while bago pa siya, di ba? Kay sus daga kay mga spoilers, so di ba? And you would really enjoy the movie kumbaga, and you would understand the real Joker by watching this movie. So mo lang to siya akong movie review guys. I hope you've learned something mansad from my movie review, and I hope that you will watch the movie of course. And of course guys, if you have anything to say, if nagtanaw sa mo sa movie and naamoy something to say about the movie, please comment below. And of course, sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make man mga movie reviews and a lot more katong mga money making, katong mga about productivity and about self-improvement and budgeting and a lot more. So, mo na siya guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sure that daghang makuha man somehow from watching this channel. Yon. So again guys, my name is PJ. I'm from Cebu City, and I hope you have a good day guys. And of course, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you again next time guys in my upcoming video. So stay tuned guys. So daghan pa tayong maabot ng mga videos. So paabutan na guys, and of course daghang salamat kayo guys, and have a good day. Yon.